Good day, everyone, and welcome to our English class. Today, we are going to learn how to improve our English step by step in a simple and practical way. English is one of the most widely spoken languages in the world. It is used in education, business, travel, and communication across many countries. Learning English opens doors to better job opportunities, higher education, and global connection. In this lesson, we will focus on three important parts of English: vocabulary. Words. Vocabulary is the foundation. Vocabulary is the foundation of any language. Without words, we cannot form sentences. Today, we'll learn new everyday words that we can use in daily conversation. For example, happy, repeat after me. Happy, happy. Work, family, learn, success. I repeat again. Happy, work, family, learn, success. When learning new words, it is important to understand the meaning, practice punctuation, use the words in a sentence. For example, I am happy. See, now we are using that word happy. I am happy to learn English. Repeat after me. I am happy to learn English. Sentence structure. After learning words, we must know how to arrange them correctly. English sentences usually follow this pattern. Number one is subject, verb, and objective. Repeat after me. Subject, verb, and objective. Example. I, which is subject. Love, which is verb. English, which is object. Meaning you can say, I love English. I stands for subject. Verb stands for love. English stands for object. She studies English every day. She is subject. Studies is verb. English is object. She studies English every day. Understanding sentence structure helps us speak and write clearly. Speaking practice. Speaking is very important in learning English. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help us grow. Try to speak simple sentences every day. For example, what is your name? Repeat after me. What is your name? Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? What do you do? Repeat after me. What do you do? Repeat after me. What is your name? Where are you from? What do you do? Can I answer this? This is the question. What is your name? My name is Emily. Where are you from? I am from Austria. What do you do? I work as a nurse. I answered questions. Practice with friends. family, or even by speaking to yourself in front of a mirror. Why learning English is important? English connects people around the world. It is the main language of the internet, international business, and many global organizations like United Nations. Many international companies like Google and Microsoft use English as a primary working language. When you improve your English, you improve your confidence. You can read books, watch movies, travel abroad, and communicate with people from different countries. Class activity, quick practice. Let's practice together. Introduce yourself in English. Say 3 things about your daily routine. Use one new word and learned today in a sentence. Can I introduce myself? I'm Evelyn. I'm from Austria. Say 3 things about your daily routine. First thing in the morning, I wash my teeth. I wash or take a shower. I go to work. Use new words you learned every day. I've learned to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I've learned about where are you from? What is your name? What do you do? Closing. Remember, learning English is a journey. Practice every day, even for 10 to 15 minutes. Read simple books, listen to English music, watch English videos, and try to think in English. Do not give up. With consistency and practice, you will improve. Thank you for joining this class. Let's continue